Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today we are replacing these headlights from VLAN. We're gonna modernize the car. This time, we're gonna go with the headlight from Amazon. So the headlights that we're gonna be installing this time is gonna be the one with the long Nike sign from this corner all the way to this corner. See the Nike sign right here? This headlight right here is aftermarket. It's from VLAN, V-L-A-N-D. It's nice, right? It looks nice with the bumper. Pretty classy, but it doesn't modernize the Lexus, in my opinion. But look at the little Nike sign, the LED. It goes from this corner all the way to this corner. So it does look like the 2024 Lexus. It has these projectors inside, and it has this side marker right here, or the turn signal. So I'm not sure yet which one is the turn signal. Is it gonna be this guy, or is it gonna be this guy? Is this just gonna be the running light? Let's find out.
So if you wanna make 6 figures, you can't just be talking about you wanna make 6 figures. So 3 things. All right, I'm gonna tell you the story. I gotta get out of here.
Let's get crazy!
All right, everybody, so it's time to see what this looks like. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. Check that out. All the way across, just like the newer Lexus. Look at that. It's pretty aggressive. It's very aggressive. All right, now, let's check the turn signals. All right, let's see. Okay, so it's flashing fast again. I mean, I can live with that. It's better than the other one. The other one was super fast. That's not bad. Again, we can modify the flasher to go slower. Okay, so let's turn on the headlight. Oh wow, looks good. Turn on the high beam. I think what we need to do is let's take a quick run again. Let's take a quick ride. Let's do it. can this pull off the 2023, 24, 2025 Lexus? I don't know, you be the judge, you tell me, leave a comment. Does it modernize the front end? I think it does. Now from far away, if you put those two Lexuses next to each other, are you gonna be able to tell the difference? I can, but a lot of people can't, right? So it's very deceiving. I think it's cool. We're gonna continue modifying this Lexus. So if you like that, if you like this content, just hit that like and follow. And thank you everybody. And please leave some comments in the comment section, something helpful for everybody else. And yeah, thank you for the support.